Welcome! This time we will be painting pink and red colored Alstroemeria flower with watercolors. Let's go! An outline drawing is done. Remove the excess amount of graphite off the paper. Let's mix watercolors. Adding water to color palette, and first mix is Permanent Rose with a little touch of Perylene Violet. Second, Permanent Rose with Alizarin Crimson. And a little touch of Indian Yellow. Third mix, Red Violet with Perylene Maroon and Indian Yellow for the darker tones. Now we can start painting by adding water to first section, and as here on this flower head both petals are almost identical, and they are not so big, I'm working on both of them simultaneously. Carefully spreading watercolors. As you can see, there's half of the petal pink, another half is white, so carefully leave the white white, don't color it. Careful with the edges, spreading watercolors where I need. And also the very upper part, there's the tip, green tip, I'm also leaving it white. And now smoothing the edge of just applied watercolor layer. Finishing details to this Alstroemeria flower painting, and these beautiful spots. I'm taking Perylene Violet with a little touch of red violet and adding with the very tip of the brush, making those spots more intense, more darker. They are more visible now. Everything underneath is done and finished, and now I can pay extra attention to details and those beautiful spots which make an Alstroemeria flower an Alstroemeria. Hope you learned something new in this new tutorial and hope you enjoyed this Alstroemeria painting. Thank you for being here and hope to see you in my next tutorials. Bye bye!